Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your T-Mobile home internet suddenly starts disconnecting, loading slowly, or completely stops working, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when multiple devices depend on it every day. Sometimes Wi-Fi still appears on phones and laptops but nothing loads online, while other times the internet works for a few minutes and then unexpectedly drops again. A connection issue like this can happen because of gateway placement, signal interruptions, temporary network delays, or settings that simply need a quick refresh. Before assuming something major is wrong with the service, there are few simple things worth checking because many home internet issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix T-Mobile home internet connection issues. Try these. Step 1. Check the signal strength on the T-Mobile home internet gateway and move it closer to a stronger coverage spot. Step 2. Restart the T-Mobile home internet gateway if websites or apps suddenly stop loading normally. Step 3. Reconnect phones, laptops, or smart devices to the T-Mobile home internet network if Wi-Fi seems unstable. Step 4. Check the placement of the T-Mobile home internet gateway and avoid keeping it blocked behind thick objects or walls. Step 5. Confirm the T-Mobile home internet gateway stays connected to power if random disconnections continue appearing. Step 6. Test browsing again through the T-Mobile home internet network and confirm the connection begins working more smoothly.